Hello, my name is Rido Alfianto. Today, I want to explaining about a question word. The meaning of question word. An interrogative word or question word is a function word used to ask a question, such as what, which, when, where, who, whom, whose, why, whether, and how. They are sometimes called WH word because in English most of them start with WH. So here there are also many explanations about the question word. Sentence in a interrogative form addressed to someone in order to get information in reply. Synonym: interrogation, query, inquiry. Antonym: reply, answer. A problem for discussion or under discussion. A matter for investigation. A matter of some uncertainty or difficulty. Problem: a subject of dispute or controversy. A proposal to be debated or voted on, as in a meeting or a deliberative assembly. The producer of putting a proposal to vote. Politics: a problem of public policy submit to the voters for an expression of opinion. Law: a controversy that is submitted to a judicial tribunal of or the administrative agency for the addition. The interrogation by which information is secured. Obsolete: judicial examination or trial. The act of asking for inquiring, interrogation, query. Inquiry into or discussion of some problem or doubtful matter. The number one is used. We use the question words when we want to get specific or more information. They are different than yes or no question. We have the next question word. Number two, who. We use who when we want to ask about people. Q, who is that? A, it's my friend Niall. Number three, what. We use what when we want to ask about things, animal, and action. Q, what is your favorite color? A, my favorite color is pink. Number four, we use where when we want to ask about place. Q, where are you from? A, I'm from Bandung. Number five, we use when we want to ask about time, occasion, or moment. Q, when do you relax? A, at the weekend. Number six, what time. We use what time when we want to ask about time or hour. Q, what time do you finish work? A, at 7 o'clock. Number 7, which. We use which when we want to ask about choice or preference. Q, which is your dress? A, the red one. Number 8, why. We use why when we want to ask about reason. Q, why are you late? A, because I missed the bus. When we answer a question with why, we always begin with because. Number 9. Whose. We use whose when we want to ask about ownership or possession. Q. Whose are these keys? A. They're mine. Number 10. How. We use how when we want to ask about the way in which sometimes happens. Q. How are things at work? A. Boring. As usual. With how, there are a number of other expressions that are used in question. Number 1. How old? 2. How many? 3. How far? 4. How much? 5. How long? 6. How often? How old. We use how old when we want to ask about age. Q. How old are they? A. 24. How much or many? We use how much or many when we want to ask about number, quantity, for price. Q. How much water do you drink? A. I drink only 1 glass. How often? We use how often when we want to ask about frequency. Q. How often does she study? A. She studies every day. How far? We use how far when we want to ask about distance. Q. How far is it to Madrid? A. It's 500 kilometers to Madrid. We use how far when we want to ask about duration for length. Q. How long is the movie? A. The movie is 19 minutes long. And it's all explanation about a question word. Hope you guys enjoy my video. See you next time. Bye bye.